Welcome back to Luxury Ride, where we explore the world's most exciting cars, from luxury and performance to future-ready innovations. If you're passionate about premium machines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury with the 2025 Bentley Bentayga. The Bentley Bentayga has always represented the perfect blend of British elegance, handcrafted luxury, and SUV practicality. And for 2025, Bentley has refined this flagship SUV even further. While the overall design remains familiar, subtle changes and upgraded features make this model feel fresher, smarter, and even more exclusive. From the outside, the 2025 Bentayga retains its unmistakable presence. It continues with the signature Bentley grille, elliptical LED matrix headlights, and sculpted body lines that exude power and sophistication. For 2025, Bentley offers new color options, updated alloy wheel designs up to 22 inches, and a more pronounced rear end with sleek LED taillights inspired by the Continental GT. Every detail is deliberate, bold yet refined, giving the Bentayga its unmistakable road presence. Under the hood, Bentley continues to offer a range of powerful engines. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 remains a popular choice, producing around 542 horsepower and delivering a 0-60 time of just 4.4 seconds. There's also a hybrid version, pairing a 3.0-liter V6 with an electric motor for a combined output of 456 horsepower and significantly improved fuel efficiency. And for those who demand the absolute best, the Bentayga Speed offers a W12 engine pushing out a massive 626 horsepower, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs on the planet. Inside the cabin is where the Bentayga truly separates itself from the competition. Bentley's legendary craftsmanship is on full display, with hand-stitched leather, diamond-quilted upholstery, real wood veneers, and polished metal accents. Everything feels premium, from the knurled air vents to the customizable mood lighting. You can choose from 5-seat or 4-seat configurations, with the latter offering individual rear captain chairs and an optional rear seat entertainment system that's second to none. Technology in the 2025 Bentayga has also taken a step forward. The 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen is more intuitive than ever, with crisp graphics and seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display enhance the driving experience, while Bentley's connected services allow you to control various features remotely via your smartphone. Rear passengers are equally pampered. The optional Bentley rear entertainment system includes high-resolution screens mounted on the back of the front seats, allowing passengers to stream content, control media, or even browse the internet on the go. There's also a panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats with massage functions, and plenty of legroom, especially in the extended wheelbase version. When it comes to ride quality, the Bentayga remains among the best in its class. The air suspension system automatically adapts to road conditions, delivering a buttery smooth ride over any surface. Optional Bentley Dynamic Ride technology uses a 48-volt active roll control system to enhance cornering stability and reduce body roll, making the Bentayga feel surprisingly agile for a vehicle of its size and weight. Safety and driver assist features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a surround view camera system. Bentley has made sure the Bentayga offers not only luxury and performance but also top-tier safety. Pricing for the 2025 Bentley Bentayga starts at around $200,000 and can easily reach over $300,000 with customization. Of course, Bentley offers an almost endless list of personalization options through its Mulliner division. So if you can dream it, they can probably build it. So, whether you're looking for unparalleled luxury, massive power, or the prestige of driving one of the world's finest SUVs, the 2025 Bentley Bentayga continues to deliver in every way. Thanks for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to give us a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more premium car content. Catch you in the next video.